Hi, and welcome to Learning with Charlie. Hi, I'm Charlie Parra del Riego. I've been playing guitar for more than 15 years. I've toured a lot. I've played in a lot of very cool shows. I have 2 signature guitars by Kramer Guitars USA. I have this YouTube channel. I have this Patreon page, and now I'm going to teach you a few tricks that I know on the guitar. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guitar lesson or the next guitar video. So for the first lesson, we're going to do the sweep picking arpeggio part from Speed. Let's go for it. Alright, to avoid sounding like this, the key is to play really hard and to play also really slow. Remember that it's very important to do a little bit of palm muting so we avoid that noise from the strings that we're not playing. Alright, I want to thank a lot my first patrons. That's Ank, thank you so much. Candice, thank you so much. Joshua, thanks a lot, buddy. Isa, thank you so much. Y mi querido Toñito, que bestia. I also want to thank a lot all the guitar players out there that have been playing this song for so many years. Thank you so much, it really means a lot. And also thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guitar lesson or the next guitar related video. Don't forget to leave a comment, a question or insult below, and also tell me, what do you think about this guitar lesson? What do you think the next guitar lesson should be about? See you guys in a new vid. Take care, stay safe. Que bestia.